Anti-gravity 2.0 literally just dropped, and I'm putting it right to the test on a real freelance project. I need to build a beautiful production ready website for a client, and I want to see exactly how far can we push this new agent to handle the heavy lifting. The architecture is already laid out. First, we will use the client raw data and send it into Gemini. Gemini will produce an initial prompt. This prompt will be in JSON format. We will feed this initial prompt into Anti-Gravity 2.0, which is an agent-first IDE, and it will produce the website, which will be our product. This website will be locally hosted in our PC, so we cannot show it to our client. In order to show it to our client, we need to make an Ngrok connection which will produce a public URL. We will send this URL to our client, and after reviewing, if our clients wants any changes, then we will send those changes to anti-gravity again, and it will produce a new website. And this whole cycle will continue until our client is satisfied. No fake tutorials today, just seeing if this brand new tech stack can actually deliver for a real client.